everyone, it's Snail. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking this video. I hope you're all doing well. Today, I'd like to show you some projects that I made using my scraps and leftover papers. If you are a paper crafter like me, I am sure that you have plenty of scraps, cut-offs, and small pieces of papers that are very pretty to throw away. So let's use them and create something pretty to give away to friends and family or to use personally. This is an example of my plastic of scraps, and I have plenty of these. So what I do is I use my punches and punch away, and I do this while I watch TV. I make tags, and these pieces now are ready to be embellishments. The project that I'd like to share with you today is this pocket mini journal / album, and it's very fun and easy to make. This is not my original idea. I was inspired by another channel and I will link her in my description. I added my own twist and you can do the same. So let's take a look. The theme here is Christmas. This is a fussy cat angel and she can go in the middle. This is a acetate pocket. This paper can be used to journal front and back. And let's put her here. There are also 2 top-loaded pockets. And I put some tags. And here are the tags. So these can also be used to journal. This small circle is a tuck. Here's a picture of a pretty girl from my stash. And this page can be journaled as well. You can see here that the base of my pages are red cardstock and I matted with pretty scrapbook paper. Here's another tag. Another pretty girl. More tags here. So this is a pocket. I can put stickers or sentiments. And this is another tuck. Another pretty girl. All these girls are really gorgeous. Of course, Santa Claus here. This is a Merry Christmas tag. Another tuck and a fussy cat angel. This butterfly is a sticker. And pieces of paper that can be used really to journal. I added a sticker here to hide the metal piece that makes a closure. And here's more writing space. And that is it. So fun, fun, fun. And it does not take much of your time to make something like this. The cover is laminated, but you do not have to laminate whatever you use as the cover. This is another style. Let's use a pink cloth here so you can see better because the table is brown and this is brown too. Okay, so this is actually a mistake. I made a boo-boo, but I still like it. And I'll show you why this is a mistake. Just the cover. See, there you go. Upside down. I'm sorry about the glare. Alright, so let's take a look here. This is another style, but another place where you can journal just pieces of random papers. And a sticker. This is a tuck. Another place to put photos or just to journal, and Here's a tag and another pretty girl. Here's another fussy cat angel, and that is what I do sometimes when I watch TV. I fussy cut. As long as you use the right scissors, that activity is actually relaxing. This is a booklet. I will add some more pages to make it a nice mini booklet. Here's another tag, and I use my star punch to decorate this tag. More space to journal. And this is another tuck. So that's another style. I also like this, although the cover was not nicely done. It does not matter. Okay, so let me show you how to make something like this. You need a cover. This piece is laminated, but again, you can use whatever paper that you want. You don't have to laminate. You need pages. So let's do 2 pages. You can do 3 or more. The ones that I showed you were 3 pages. These are the measurements that we are going to use today. For the cover, it's going to be 8.5 by 4.25 inches. And then the pages will be 8 by 4 inches. The first page you score at 2.5 inch, and then another score at 5.5 inch. The next page is slightly smaller. It is 7 7/8 by 4 inches. Score at 2 9/16 and at 5 5/16. So once you score the papers, just fold them, and you can see here, once folded, that the second piece is slightly smaller than the first, and I do that so that it is easier to fold. You will also fold your cover, and you can use your scoring board, but I'm just lazy now. I will just fold this. I will mat my inside pages because this paper is one-sided design. I already cut my papers. I will have a pocket and a tuck, and maybe decorate this with some stickers. This is where you can add your own twist. Use your favorite sentiments, favorite images. If you want pockets, more tucks, more journaling space, that is up to you. So craft along, enjoy the music, and then we will see what happens in the end. Okay, so this piece is done and I already decorated this a little bit. So here is another style. I didn't add any more images, but I can add photos here. This is a pocket with a tag. Papers to journal. A pocket, another tag. And I put sentiment, choose happy. This is another booklet, and I will probably add more papers to make it a nice mini booklet. I love this sentiment. Even the simplest things can be beautiful. So there you go, friends. These are the 3 styles of the pocket mini journals / album that I made using my scraps and leftover papers. For the covers, you do not have to laminate. You can use whatever papers you want. You can use whatever size you want. And I hope that you give this project a try. It is fun to make and you can give this away as gifts. So I hope you like them. Let me know what you think. I would love your comments. Again, the channel that inspired me to make this project will be in my description. Before I go, I'd like to talk a little bit about the A to Z Christmas craft collaboration hosted by Rach and Bella Crafts. This is a really huge, fun, and exciting event. We are now on day 4. The first day, November the 1st, was by Suzanne of Nonstop Paper Crafts. Day 2 was by Tracy Fox of Tracy Fox Creative. Yesterday, day 3 was by Shauna of Fraps and Scraps. My turn to present my project is not until the end of November, but I am crafting along and I am having so much fun. So I invite you to do the same. I hope that you support this collaboration. Again, it is the A to Z of Christmas Craft. So that's hashtag A to Z of Christmas Crafts if you would like to see all the videos. There you go, guys. Thanks so much for watching and for supporting my channel. And if you're not subscribed, please join my YouTube family and hit that subscribe button. Thanks so much. God bless you. Bye now. Till next time.